Hello and welcome to Ninja Sauce. On today's video, we're gonna look at how we can deposit cash to our payment account. So first of all, we navigate to accounts. Then we click on list of accounts from the accounts submenu. Then we hit deposit to a desired account, and then we enter the desired amount. If you want to deposit your cash to a specific date, you can select that as well. If you want to enter any specific note just to keep a reminder for yourself, so you can do here as well, and then hit submit. It will show an alert message that indicates that you have successfully deposited your amount to the payment account. Then you can confirm that by clicking on accounts, and hey, as you can see, you have successfully deposit your payment to that very account. Well, that's all for today's video. Thanks a ton for watching and have a blessed day.